Good day, everyone. You have just heard the presentation of the previous reporters. This time, it's my turn to continue the train of sharing knowledge in our class today. I am Imera Sarko, the fourth presenter, and I am here to elaborate to you the topic on global trends in curriculum development. Global trends in curriculum development reflects the evolving needs of societies, technological advancements, and shift in education philosophies. Here are some of the most significant trends. First is competency-based education or CBE. It's an approach that focuses on students demonstrating mastery of specific skills and knowledge rather than time spent in classroom, allowing for personalized pacing and learning experience. Unlike traditional time-based progression, students advance when they are ready. Example in the US, some schools allow students to complete math courses at their own pace, meaning a fast learner can finish algebra in half the usual time, while another student takes extra time for mastery. Second is integrating 21st century skills. It involves designing learning experience that emphasizes critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and creativity, often through project-based learning, inquiry-based activities, and students' choice. Modern curricula emphasizes skills beyond academics, such as critical thinking, creativity, communication, and collaboration, or 4Cs, to prepare students for real-world challenges. For example, Singapore's curriculum. It includes project-based learning where students collaborate on solving real-life problems like designing a sustainable city model. Third is STEAM. Education focuses on developing skills in these core areas, while STEAM adds art to the mix, fostering creativity and innovative problem solving through the integration of artistic disciplines. STEM education prepares students for technology-driven careers through hands-on and inquiry-based learning. For example, in South Korea, coding curriculum teaches elementary students programming by letting them create simple animation or basic robots. Fourth is digital and blended learning, combining online and face-to-face instruction to create flexible, technology enhancement learning experience. Many countries are integrating online learning platforms, digital textbooks, and hybrid learning models to make education more accessible and flexible. For example, in Estonia, provides free digital textbooks and online classes, allowing students to continue learning even when schools are closed. Fifth is interdisciplinary and transdisciplinary approaches. Interdisciplinary approaches integrate knowledge and perspectives from multiple disciplines to address complex problems, while transdisciplinary approaches go further by involving non-academic stakeholders and seeking to create new knowledge and solutions beyond traditional disciplinary boundaries. So instead of teaching subjects separately, this approach blends different disciplines to help students understand real-world connections. For example, in Finland, phenomenon-based learning replaces traditional subjects with a theme like climate change, where students study science, geography, and economics together. Sixth is global citizenship education. Aims to cultivate responsible and active global citizens by fostering respect for all, building a sense of belonging to a common humanity, and equipping learners with the knowledge, skills, and values to address global challenges and contribute to a more just, peaceful, and sustainable world. This promotes awareness of global issues, diversity, and social responsibility in school curricula. For example, in Australia, students engage in projects that discuss refugee rights, climate change, and global cooperation to develop empathy and civic responsibility. So next is personalized and adaptive learning. Means tailoring the learning experience to each individual's needs, strength, and learning style. Using data and technology to adjust content and pace in real time, moving away from a one size fits all approach. Education is tailored to individual students' needs using AI analytics and customized learning paths. Example in China, AI powered apps adjust math problems based on each student's performance, ensuring they get personalized support. Next is inclusive and equitable education. Means creating a learning environment where all students, regardless of their background, abilities, and learning needs, have equal opportunities to access quality education and reach their full potential, while valuing diversity and promoting a sense of belonging. Many countries are ensuring that education is accessible to all, including students with disabilities and marginalized groups. For example, in Sweden, Sweden provides personalized learning plans for students with special needs using assistive technologies like speech to text software. Next is environmental and sustainability education, or education for sustainable development. Aims to equip individuals with the knowledge, skills, values, and attitudes to make informed decisions and take responsible actions for environmental integrity, economic viability, and a just society for present and future generations. Sustainability is now a key part of the curriculum in many countries to prepare students for environmental challenges. For example, Japan's schools includes outdoor learning activities where students study waste management and plant trees to understand ecological responsibility. And lastly, the standardization and localized curriculum refers to moving away from a uniform, one size fits all education system and instead tailoring curricula to reflect local cultures, languages, histories, and community needs. Some countries are shifting away from rigid national curricula to flexible, context based learning that reflects local cultures and needs. For example, in New Zealand, the Maori culture is integrated into the curriculum with students learning traditional stories, language, and environmental practices. Global trends in curriculum development have significantly influenced our local curriculum reforms, through their implementation varies depending on the national priorities and educational context. And that's the end of my report. Thank you for listening.